customize your app's look and feel. So for creating a theme, what you need to do is follow some basic steps. First is you create a theme data object like this. So inside your theme data, you will describe the color scheme that you will be using. The shade color is your primary color that your theme will be using. You can also describe the brightness as dark or light as per your app's requirement. Inside the text theme, you will be describing the different kinds of text and how, which font they will be using, what will be the size, whether they will be bold or not. After that, you can describe the color of your icons. You can also describe the theme of your buttons, text areas, and all different kinds of widgets that you have. For now, I have included 3 different kinds of widgets. You can also describe 2 or 3 different kinds of themes and use it in the same application. So here, after having declared my theme inside this variable, I will be declaring this inside my material app. Once I have declared this inside my material app, this will my app will be supporting this theme. I can also change this theme to whichever new theme I want. In case you want to your any different widget to have some particular theme, so then you will be using the theme widget. You will be wrapping your particular widget with the theme widget. So here in this card, I want to wrap my card with a different theme. So I have just wrapped it with my theme widget. In case in any widget, if you want to use the colors of a particular theme, so you can just use theme.offContext and you can use the secondary or the primary color that you have declared inside the theme.